Hello class, this is Jancy.
And this is Anjali.
Now that you have get introduced to the app Vowel Sound, it's time for you to get introduced to some vocabulary words. Let's get started. The first word is bag. Repeat after me. Bag. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys know the definition of bag, but let me give you this image. Bag is a soft container made of paper, plastic, cloth, used for carrying things. If we put this word in a sentence, it would look like this. I was carrying 3 bags of shopping. Repeat after me. I was carrying 3 bags of shopping. Great job.
The second word is pal. Repeat after me. Pal. Very good. Do you know what the word pal means? Let me help you with this image. Well, a pal is a friend. How can we use this word in a sentence? My daughter brought a pal home for coffee. Repeat after me. My daughter brought a pal home for coffee. Very good.
Now, the third word is hang out. Repeat after me. Hang out. Do you have any idea of what hang out means? No? Let me give you a hint. Look at this image and listen to the song.
In the summer, to my heartbeat sound, we fell in love as the leaves turn brown, and we could be together, baby.
Now, hold on. It's not party time yet. It was only for you to have a clear idea of this word. Hang out is to spend a lot of time in a place or with someone. For example, I hang out with my friends on Fridays evenings. Repeat after me. I hang out with my friends on Fridays evenings.
As long as skies are blue, you act so innocent now.
Next, we have the word path. Repeat after me. Path. We have here a definition. A path is a long, thin area for people to walk on. How can we use this word in a sentence? She walked through the path to get to the forest. Repeat after me. She walked through the path to get to the forest. Very good.
Next, we have the word camp. Repeat after me. Camp. Very good. Now, camp is a very easy word. It's a place with temporary buildings, huts, and tents used for soldiers, prisoners, or travelers. For instance, we found Dan alone at the camp. Repeat after me. We found Dan alone at the camp.
Then we have the word outlandish. Repeat after me. Outlandish. Have you heard this word before? Okay, let me give you a hint. The word outlandish means something strange, unusual, and difficult to accept or like. We can see that in the image. This is a very particular dress, isn't it? Let's see, how can we use that in a sentence? The male clown looked outlandish in the party dress. Repeat after me. The male clown looked outlandish in the party dress.
Alright, let's move to the following word. Nap. Repeat after me. Nap. Very good. This is another easy word, and I'm sure this image will help you out with the definition. Nap is a short sleep, especially during the day. She usually takes a nap after lunch. Repeat after me. She usually takes a nap after lunch.
Okay, let's move on. Here we have the word branch. Repeat after me. Branch. This is another familiar word. Let's look at the picture. A branch is a part of a tree that grows out from the main part. For example, I saw a bird singing from a tree branch. Repeat after me. I saw a bird singing from a tree branch.
The next word is mad. Repeat after me. Mad. Very good. Now, mad is someone mentally ill or unable to behave in a reasonable way. Another word is angry. If we put this word in a sentence, it would look like this. Dad will go mad when he finds out you took the car. Repeat after me. Dad will go mad when he finds out you took the car. You're in troubles.
Okay guys, the next word is hazardous. Repeat after me. Hazardous. Hazardous is something risky or dangerous. Let's look at the sentence. Too much drinking may be hazardous to your health. Please repeat after me. Too much drinking may be hazardous to your health. Be careful with that.
Now, the word grab. Grab is to take hold of something or someone suddenly with your hand. For example, I asked her to grab the keys. Repeat after me. I asked her to grab the keys.
Here we have the word capture. Repeat after me. Capture. I'm sure this is a very familiar word to you. Let's look at the picture. Capture is to record someone or something on camera, film or other. For example, this picture captures the beauty of Costa Rican landscapes. Repeat after me. This picture captures the beauty of Costa Rican landscapes.
The next word is fascinated. Repeat after me. Fascinated. Excellent. I'm certain this image will help you out with the definition. When you say something or someone is fascinated, it means it is extremely interested. If we put it in a sentence, it will go like this. They were absolutely fascinated by the video game. Can you please repeat after me? They were absolutely fascinated by the video game.
Then we have the last word, which is cracked. Repeat after me. Cracked. Do you guys know what the word crack means? Let me give you some help. Better, right? Cracked means damaged with one or more thin lines on its surface. How can we use the word cracked in a sentence? The skull was cracked and broken. Repeat after me. The skull was cracked and broken.
Now it's time to practice, you guys. Now that you have get introduced to these vocabulary words, you will be provided with a handout by your teacher. The only thing you need to do is to complete the sentences based on what you listened from your teacher. You will fill in the blanks with these words, with the correct words, and then we will check them after this. Is that clear? Great! Thank you very much for watching this video. We really appreciate it, and we will see you till next time. Bye!
Bye. Good luck, guys.